Hello everyone, magandang araw sa inyong lahat. My name is Moss and welcome again to my channel, Tambayan Talks mga Anonymous. Nandito muli tayo sa Kuya Quotes kung saan bibigyan natin ng bagong pansin o pagpapahalaga ang mga quotes o anumang kasabihan. Ang ating quote for today is, "He who dares to seek fulfillment must learn to deal with pain." Una ko itong narinig sa isang advertisement sa pain reliever nung ako'y nasa high school pa lamang.
Muscles in motion. Soccer is not only the world's most popular sport, it is also one of the most demanding. As you race back and forth for 90 minutes, your body is subjected to a battery of vicious kicks and tackles, toil and trouble. But then again, he who dares to seek fulfillment must learn to deal with pain. As the world's greatest athletes know, the joy of victory is yours to gain once you master pressure and pain. Muscles in motion.
High school ako nung una kong marinig yun o mapanood yung patalastas sa TV. So sari-sari pong mga sports yung pinipresent dun sa patalastas na yan. But same ending pa yung pag sinabing, but then again, he who dares to seek fulfillment must learn to deal with pain. So, sabi po ng brad ko nung nasa college ako, favorite ko daw kasi madalas niyang makita sa mga notebook ko o sa mga writings ko na nababasa niya. So, shout out kay Brad Ruel and I hope you're doing fine and enjoying your life. Ang quote po ay derived sa discussion ni Cicero, yung Epicurean philosophy, which holds that pleasure is the highest good. However, yung philosophy po hindi naman about indulgence but it's more about rational calculation. Sa makatwid, hindi daw po dapat katakutan ng pain for its own sake o ipursu blindly ang pleasure. Sa halip, yung makatwirang tao ay tinitiis ang pansamantalang pain para iwasan yung greater future pain or to achieve greater lasting pleasure. The quote teaches that personal fulfillment is not found in avoiding discomfort, but in strategically enduring it. Just as one undergoes the pain of exercise for long-term health, one must accept hardship to achieve meaningful goals. Sabi ni Cicero, that owing to the claims of duty or the obligations of business. Ayon kay Cicero, one often must repudiate pleasures and accept annoyances. So sa makatwid po, ang fulfillment ay nakatali po sa responsibilidad at hindi lamang para sa ating pansariling gratification. So ang quote po na he who dares to seek fulfillment must learn to deal with pain, it champions a life of prudence and resilience, where pain is not an enemy but a necessary component of well-considered fulfilling life. So, yan po yung ating Kuya Quotes for today. And I hope you like it. And I hope makasama ko po kayo sa susunod na pagkakataon. Maraming salamat po and have a nice day po.